Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable file to Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what you need to do is just to click on a specific text. Like for example, you have this click here to download right here. What you can do is you can click on this link option right here. And then from in there, you can see this document. Under the document, just click on choose file right here. And then this will open the Wix Media Gallery right here, and you can upload the site files, or you can also upload the media that you want to add. So for example, just click on upload to media right here, and then click on upload from computer. And then from in there, it will actually open up a window wherein I can put in here an actual file that I can put to actually download it for you viewers. So as you can see this uploading, click on add to page, and then click on done. And then when a person has actually clicked on this link, they will be able to download the file that I have uploaded. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add downloadable files to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.